Hello there, welcome to Mr. Saxon. So today I'm going to just talk about one thing that I'm going to do during these weeks. So the idea is my phone is broken, I have an Android phone, and then I'm recording right now with an iPhone. So while they repairing my Android phone, I'm going to try and use iOS for at least 1 week minimum. So I'm going to make that kind of test that the people try another different system, and I'm really forced to do that. So I'm going to travel, so I'm going to have Android Auto, I'm going to have everything, my emails, everything. I'm going to make the copy. There is an app that is from from Apple, that what it's doing is copying exactly what you have in your Android to your iPhone. I need to say that didn't copy all, but I'm going to explain that in the next video. So that is just for inform about what I'm going to have. So the point is that I already finished. I already have back my Android phone, so I can tell to you what happened. So at the end, I will say that I moved back to Android, and I'm going to tell you good things and bad things about iPhone and Android, obviously. So what is better, what is bad, and during this week I have I'm going to explain to you. So I'm going to divide it in different areas. One is going to be a writing, so the keyboard, how you write, how edit things, all that kind of area. The next one is going to be Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. The next area is going to be the grid, so how you install your icons and the folders and everything. Another thing is the battery use, how much battery you use, and the user for it. Also the hotspot, how it's used, that's going to be together with the battery. Then the settings. Then we're going to go cameras, and then a little resume at the end, what is going to happen. So that's going to be all the videos I'm going to do about. So it's going to be divided about long videos. We're going to be some short about my decisions, how I do it, but mostly it's going to be that long videos. Okay, I'm going to make 6 videos about the topics, what I like it and what I don't like it from iOS. And obviously I told you I already back to Android, so obviously didn't like it so much. So see you around, and remember,
Welcome to Mr. Saxon.
ciao.